Hey, what's happening, everybody? So it's that time of year again, and I have a question. Look, how many of you are going to return your Google Pixel 8 or your Google Pixel 8 Pros? The reason I ask this is when you first get your phone, honeymoon period hits, and then, eventually, and you're in that 14-day window, and the first couple of days you're pumped up, you're excited, and by like the fifth, sixth day, you're like, oh my goodness, I don't know. Especially if you came from an iPhone or a Samsung device, and this is going to be your only device for the next 2 or 3 years. You got to be thinking, especially if you came from an iPhone. I don't recommend anybody. Look, if you're an iPhone user, stay over there. The reason I'm not saying that to be mean. I'm saying that because you don't want to learn a whole bunch of whatever. Okay, it's a whole lot. It's a whole lot. Now, if you're a Samsung user, give it a chance. Stick with it. I know you're going to miss the features, but that's another story. Now, I've been on Twitter, of course, and there's some people. There's like a group of people on Twitter. They're on YouTube actually, and these people, they're saying how this device takes fake pictures. I'm going to make a video talking about that, a separate video. Now, I know people for some reason in this day and age, and the media are always drumming up some kind of negative drama. And I'm going to be the first to say it right now. There's no negative drama involved with this device right here. Good battery life, great photos, great software that does everything that it needs to do, and it does everything exactly the way Google said, the way they marketed the phone. It's not doing anything less anymore. It's being a terrific device. But you clowns that are claiming that this is taking fake photos, apparently you ignoramuses don't understand that every phone does something in post with a picture after you take it. In other words, AI is involved in everything. And for you, look, if you want pure photos, go and buy yourself one of those. Go and get yourself like a actual camera. And even then, if it's digital, it's going to do something with it. And then more than likely, you're editing it. So it's not going to be like some original looking picture anyway. Look, unless you're born under a rock and you go online and you look at all these photos, beautiful photos that people post, that I post, they've all been edited to a little bit. Say I was to edit this right here. I would definitely saturate it a little more to make the red and the blues pop. I would probably put a little bit of I'd put something yeah. Anyway, you guys get what I'm talking about. So, long story short, let me know in the comments. Are you guys returning? Are any of you returning your Google Pixel 8? I'm keeping mine. I love this device. There's no way I'm letting this thing go. All right. Catch all of you in the next one. Take care.